In this video, you'll learn how to change your name in eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully update your personal information associated with your account. Start by opening the eBay website or mobile app on your device. Enter your email address or username along with your password to log in. After signing in, locate your profile icon at the top of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your personal account. Once you're in the account settings, look for the section titled Personal Information. After opening this section, you will find the fields associated with your personal details, including your name. Find the specific name field that is linked to your account. Next to your current name, click on the Edit option to initiate the change. A form will now appear prompting you to enter your new first and last name. It is essential to ensure that the name you input is accurate and matches your official records. This verification helps to prevent any issues with payments or shipping details in the future. Carefully review the spelling of your new name before proceeding to the next step. Once you are satisfied with the new name you've entered, look for the Save or Update button and click it. eBay will then process your request and update your account details accordingly. In some instances, you may be prompted to verify your identity for security reasons. If this happens, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After the changes have been processed, your new name will be reflected on your account profile. To confirm that the update has taken place, navigate to your profile page. Keeping your account information accurate is important for avoiding potential issues during transactions. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.